Millions of websites on the internet today. Some are useful, and some are a complete dump. In this video, I'm going to show you a few websites that are completely useful. The best part is that most of them are free to use and doesn't have any hidden limitations. We'll quickly see some of these sites in a few minutes. If you watch to the end, I'll show you a site that could really cut down your stress and even make you more money if you're a digital marketer. When you think about a Swiss Army knife of tools for media files, this website comes in at the top. TinyWow is a free online tool that has the advantage of being all-in-one. TinyWow provides free online conversion, PDF tools, and other handy tools to help you solve problems of all types. All files, both processed and unprocessed, are deleted after 15 minutes. It allows you to edit your portable document files, videos, and images. For example, you can convert PDF to JPEG, sculpt or compress video, convert video to GIFs, and even generate memes. Best of all, it is a completely free page and does not require registration processes. In this way, all you have to do is enter the website, select the tool you want to use, and carry out the task you need. This site is a great alternative, especially for those who need to carry out a process and do not want to install applications on their computer. Another site with a collection of great tools for working on portable document files is Sejda. Sejda is a quick and simple online tool used for editing PDF files. Sejda helps with simplifying PDF files through a pleasant and productive PDF platform. It's a PDF editor that allows users to create, merge, split, extract, delete, sign, compress, and convert documents. It can be accessed from any browser without installing extra software. Sejda is a set of tools built to easily perform tasks on existing PDF documents. Sometimes you want an alternative to a product or service for three main reasons: high cost, low quality service, or performance. Or it may be that the service has been discontinued. That's where these two sites come in. They would help you find free or cheaper alternatives to any tool or program. Alternative 2 is a free service that helps you find better alternatives to the products you love and hate. Alternative 2 lets you find apps and software for Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, iPad, Android tablets, web apps, online, Windows tablets, and so on. This site lists alternatives to web-based software, desktop computer software, and mobile apps, and sorts the alternatives by various criteria, including the number of registered users who have clicked on like button for each of the alternatives provided. Another site just like Alternative 2 is Versus Udil. On this site you can find relevant alternatives to any product or service to compare. Its interface is similar to the former. Simply input a service or program and the site would generate relevant alternatives. Both sites are free to use. Another alternative to Sejda is ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf is your #1 web app for editing PDF with ease. Enjoy all the tools you need to work efficiently with your digital documents while keeping your data safe and secure. It contains every tool you need to work on PDFs at your fingertips. All tools are free to get started and easy to use. You can merge, split, compress, convert, rotate, unlock, password protect, and watermark PDF files with just a few clicks. Creating your own digital content or product from scratch can be very difficult. PLR products can really save you some stress. PLR products are the products that come with private label rights. These rights allow you to legally use the content in almost any way you want. Typically, you have a full right to change the contents of the product, as well as rebrand, resell, claim your authorship, package with other products, as well as give it away for free. One of such sites to get these products is freeplrdownloads.com. Simply pick a niche. Navigate the site until you find a couple of books that you could use. However, I've come across very good books and completely rubbish books on this site. Before you finally decide to use any products, please go through the contents and make sure it's up to standard. If not, edit the book and make corrections. There are many ways to use PLR content, and one of the most popular ones is reselling. Due to the nature of digital products, this one can be a very profitable method, as it doesn't involve holding the physical inventory or shipping costs, plus the profit margins can be very high. For this method, products like software, courses, product packs, or ebooks can work really well.